Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the COSTWAY Twin Tub 26 pounds Capacity Laundry Washer. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine offers a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes an 11 pounds washer and a 6.6 pounds spinner. In contrast, the COSTWAY Twin Tub provides a significantly larger capacity of 26 pounds with an 18 pounds washer and an 8 pounds spinner. This makes the COSTWAY a better option for those who need to wash larger loads at once. The BANGSON is known for its affordability and compact design, making it ideal for small living spaces. It features 3 wash modes and a 15-minute wash timer. On the other hand, the COSTWAY boasts a built-in drain pump, which simplifies the draining process, and timer knobs for customized washing. These features enhance user convenience and efficiency. In terms of portability, the BANGSON is lightweight at 28 pounds, making it easy to move around, especially for those in dorms or RVs. Conversely, the COSTWAY, while offering larger capacity, weighs 33.5 pounds, which may be a consideration for users who prioritize easy transport. Both machines are designed for compact living, but the BANGSON takes the edge in portability. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and COSTWAY portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize portability and affordability, the BANGSON is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and additional features like a built-in drain pump, the COSTWAY may be worth the investment. And to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.